Hello and welcome to my channel, Lulu's World. In this video, we are focusing on the lips because I had received a package from my girl Diane and we are going to be opening it up. This is an unboxing, so to speak, or haul, and we're not going to show you my I'm not going to show you my address, but on the front here it says this package is fragile, just so you know. It is fragile. And on the other side it says you are a beauty. That's cute with the little sticker here. And she has another sticker up here. I don't know if you can see this. A little wacky. But it says thank you for supporting my small business. You're welcome, Diane. You're welcome. So I'm gonna open this up. She actually was a former manager of mine, supervisor, manager, whatever you want to call it, at my last job, and she moved to another state for a while, was working there for a bit, and mind you, we were working in the beauty industry, and she just recently started her own little business. Lashes, which I told her I'm not comfortable with doing yet because I'm just not good at doing it. Believe it or not, even though we work together in a beauty store, I don't know how to do lashes. I'm not good at it. So anyways, but I'm like, but I do want to try some of your lip glosses. So that's what we're about to do. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, she gave me a little bag of candy. Oh, thank you, Diane. I'm gonna pass, because I'm on a diet, as much as I want to eat these, I'm gonna have to pass this on to Daniel or Kaylee. But this is so cute. It's a little goodie bag, like Halloween, but it's not Halloween. And then, what else is in here? Oh, she left me a note and a personal written note, some postcards, and she makes the lip glosses herself. She has, it's vegan, which is nice, and she mixes the, this is the little sachet with the lip glosses that I ordered. It's inside here with another little postcard, promotional postcards, which is really cute. That's so cute. And, alright, let me set this down for now. Beautiful girl. And of course, so this is what Diane looks like. I believe each lip gloss was $9, which is not so bad. I think it's a fair price. Diane is absolutely stunning. Here, you see Diane? She's a beautiful woman, beautiful person inside and out. And it says, want to be featured? Hell yeah. Take your best selfie and tag us, okay, at Diane, this is for Instagram, at Diane K Vegan Beauty. And then it says, I can't wait to see your selfie, gorgeous. XOXO Diane K. And then on the other side, it's Diane K Vegan Beauty, DKVB shop. On the other side of the postcard. And then there's another one. Oh, nice. With a promo code that I received. Same on the other side. And then this side it says the name of her shop. Thank you for your order, babe. I hope this package brightens your day as much as your order has brightened mine. As a thank you, here is 20% off your next order, or you can share it with a friend. We shall see. Use the code. I'm not going to tell you what it is because I haven't decided yet what I'm going to do with it. And then on the bottom it has her website, www.dianekveganbeauty.shop. I'm going to include it in the description box, of course, with the links to the names of the colors that I chose, like the shades. And then minimum 3 items, one time use per guest. Okay, that's fair. And I just bought 3 items. So that's that. Yeah, I'm not going to show you that. I'm going to show you this. So it's really pretty. I love the colors. It's like so peaceful and everything. And so she wrote me a note with the invoice. I'm on the invoice because she knows me personally. So I got Chula, Diamante, and Diablo. Diane happens to be, I forget what she is. Something Latina, I believe. So the names of, and it's very, her Latina background has really been a part of the shade names and everything that she's created with her company, which I appreciate and want to support, as well. I think that's really great that she's done this for herself, and she's done really well so far with her business, and I'm really proud of her personally, you know, and I'm like really proud of her that she's done this. Those are the ones that I got. I'm not going to show you my address, and then on the bottom it says, "Thank you for shopping with us. Your order made me smile. I hope it makes you smile." And then on the bottom, this is the note that she wrote me. I'll read it. That is my real name, Alana. So I'll read it to you what it says. She said, "Thanks so much, Alana. I'm very sorry for the waiting because I paid extra for the rush shipping, but she was on vacation in Miami, so she's been going back and forth because she was living in Florida and Miami. She moved down to Miami and then she came back because her mom was sick. Her mom was diagnosed with breast cancer, and that's why I shared that GoFundMe to help with financial aid to her mother. But anyway, so she said, "But I'm going to give you your own discount code. You can use it and your friends. Message me when you receive this." Okay. XOXO Diane K. And I did message her, but I haven't asked for the exact code yet. And I'm not in a rush. Like I told her, the only reason why I did it was because I was excited, but like I'm not really in a rush. So, but I do appreciate the discount codes. Definitely. Definitely. And so we're going to try the lightest one, I guess, first, Diamante, and inside the sachet type thing, there's a little one. Oh my god, there's stickers! Oh my effing G, yes! Yes! There's stickers? I did not know that. So I got 3 of these little stickers for me and whoever else. That's so cute with her logo on it. That is such a nice little touch. I really like this. Then it comes with this little promo mini postcard type thing. Again, her logo. And then on the other side, it has some more information there. Diane K. Rodriguez, CEO at Diane K. Vegan Beauty, Instagram, email CEO at dianekveganbeauty.shop. And the website for her cosmetics is dianekveganbeauty.shop again. So the first one I'm going to try is, I believe this one's Diamante. This is like a picture of them. Yes, it is. Diamante. And it's this one here. I liked it because it was like prismatic. And I wanted to see what it looks like on me. There's like specks of purple in here, shimmering. It's nice size packaging. Ooh. Interesting. And then it has like this big doe foot. What's it called? This shape applicator. Mmm. That's cute. I like it. It's like simple but holographic, and like you could do it alone or on top of something for sure. And so far, she doesn't have any mattes yet. They're all glosses. I normally prefer a matte, but of course, I want to support my girl. So she has a number of nudes. There's also a nude collection that she has. I wasn't sure about them at this time, so I was like, let me get some red colors. Some reds here. So one of these is, the pink one is Chula. Chula. This one's Chula. And then this one is Diabla. This one's like more of like a red, and whereas the other one has a little less, like a little pink-ish mixed into it. That's what it looks like at least. So we got, what was it again? Chula and Diabla. I don't know if you can tell the difference. It's kind of hard with it like here, there. Yeah, it's like a pink undertone to it. It's what it looks like. We're gonna try Chula first. And like the cool thing is, like, there's a picture of it on the invoice, so that's how I could tell because this one has a pink top and the other one has a white top. I love how she does this. Like, I told her I wanted to make my own makeup line and I actually have a name picked out, like, but I didn't continue with it yet. I'm still not sure if I want to or not. But like, I've actually thought about it and I would like to do it, but I'm not ready yet. I have to find the right. And I wasn't gonna be making my own makeup products like she's doing. I was gonna be using a vendor, so a wholesale vendor. So I haven't really had the time yet to try that. And I've been looking at reviews and they weren't all great. So, oh my god, this one smells delicious. Like strawberries, kind of, sort of. Mm. Okay, let's see how it goes. It's pretty. It's like a light gloss, you know what I mean? It's definitely easy to put on. Yeah, and it's very light. So let me see what the other one looks like. This one has a little pink in it too, but it's more like red. So this one is the Diablo one. Hmm. Oh wow. That one definitely has more of a stain to it. Oh wow. And the other one was more like a sheer gloss, and this one's more of like a color, like more pigmented for color, you know what I mean? And let me see what it looks like, make sure it's not messed up. It's a little messed up. So that's pretty much all of it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and of course I'm going to leave the information down below in my description box for Diane's website as well as the Instagram and the colors that I bought and all that good stuff. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, Lulu's World, and click the notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video. And don't forget to like this video, and I will see you all again soon. Bye.